In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock a specific YouTube channel on your TV. Whether you want to block inappropriate content, restrict access for kids, or prevent others from watching certain channels on your smart TV. Most smart TVs don't give you the option to lock individual YouTube channels directly in the app, but there are a few smart workarounds you can use depending on your setup. First, if you're using a Google account, you can set up restricted mode on YouTube. This filters out potentially mature content across all devices where you're signed in. To do that, open a browser on your phone or computer. Go to youtube.com and sign in. Scroll to the bottom of any page and click Restricted Mode, Off. Then toggle it on and lock it with your Google account. This setting carries over to your TV when you're signed into the same account. If you're using an Android TV or Fire TV, go into the Parental Controls section in Settings. You can set up a PIN and disable access to the YouTube app entirely, or limit usage during certain hours. Another powerful option is to use a router-level content filter, like OpenDNS or Netgear Armor. These let you block specific websites or channels across all devices connected to your home network, including your TV. Thanks for watching. If you found a way to lock or block a YouTube channel on your TV, drop a comment below and let me know which method worked best for you: restricted mode, parental controls, or a router fix. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart TV tips. See you next time.